She honestly looks like a Twitch streamer who sells bathwater. Peak character design. Step on me, mommy. Okay, so I'm just rendering this baby up. Honestly, the highlights don't make any sense, but then again, the hair itself doesn't make any sense. Okay, which character will I yassify today? Ooh, a cat girl. The furries are gonna love this. Okay, so I feel like I should be doing like a full body pose, just a very playful pose. Okay, I know what you're thinking. It looks very weird right now. Just trust the process, okay? Okay, no, it looks too sussy. Let's try another pose. So let's just like have her take a selfie and stuff, and she's all like looking at the camera, all cutesy wootsy and all. Listen, there wasn't any character description, okay? I'm relying on her vibes alone. Alright. I really love her outfit though. Very nice character design. She's got this little BDSM color. Very iconic, I must say. So let's just outline this baby real quick. She honestly looks like a Twitch streamer who sells bathwater. That's the vibes that I'm getting from this character, honestly. Also, I do not know what the heck that is. Is that a cape or something? I don't know. I'm not gonna draw that. No capes. Let's do the hands. Ooh, I could actually try the finger brush hack thingy from TikTok. All I gotta do is use the finger brush. Okay, this looks very weird. Let's just trace it. I'm very weak when it comes to hands. I guess you could say I can't handle it. Get it? Anyway, should I make her wing? Nah, let's add a little furry tail. I can't tell if she's supposed to be a cat or a dog, honestly. So now we've got this outline. Let's color it real quick. Now, because I'm a smart artist, I'm gonna use this Enclosing fill tool. I've shown this so many times before. Just select the part you want to color and it automatically colors for you. Bam! Bam! Shazam! Okay, that's getting old real quick. Anyway, let's just proceed to coloring the rest of the body parts. When using the Enclose and Fill tool, you gotta keep it in separate layers, right? And like, obviously, it's not gonna be that accurate. It's gonna have a lot of these thingies, but that's okay. It saves you time. I really like the color palette. It's all just tied together and stuff. When designing characters, I usually just limit it to like 4 colors max. Okay, so let's add a little blush. I like drawing blushes because it makes my character look like they're alcoholics. Okay, so now let's add the gradients. Very smexy. Let's not forget to juicify the juicy lips. Okay, so now that we got this masterpiece, I'm gonna make a gradient layer like this. Just watch, okay? It's hard to explain. And then, this is like the cherry on top, alright? The highlights. We're gonna put highlights on the juicy thighs. Like, just pretend that this is a 3D shade, so the light is hitting the top parts. We'll also highlight the face because the light bounces back, baby. And then the smexy shadows. Oh yes. I think that the lighting suits her, I guess. Okay, let's add very subtle heart eyes because we want her to look cutesy wootsy. And yeah, we're all set. I drew this all in 1 hour. I do not know what her name is, but Cool Night Gaming, I must say that this is a W character design. Okay, so before we proceed to the next one, can you please subscribe? Pretty please? Okay, next. So this next character looks like an absolute girl boss, okay? Red snake tat, red eyes, and white turtleneck. Zam! Peak character design. Step on me, mommy. So I can't read Russian, so I'm gonna have to go with the vibes yet again. She's gonna be like taking a mirror selfie and sticking her tongue out. Very weird description, but I promise y'all, it's gonna be cool as heck. I gave her these siren eyes because it's smexy and fits with her character. You wanna know what else is smexy? A scar. So yeah, let's add a scar. I know that it's not in the original character design, but the video is called Yassifying, not redrawing, know what I'm saying? And then let's add some piercings. Okay, so let's draw the hands. Alright. Okay, so I didn't screw it up this time, I think. Okay, so how else is she gonna be more smexy than she already is? Ah yes, rings. Let's add this double ring thingy. Very cool. I actually own that. It's smexy. And then some long black nails. Okay, so now she reminds me of that character from Unholy Blood. You guys gotta read that webtoon. It is so good. So let's just do the coloring again, and then let's clean up. Let's give her a red phone since she's got a red tattoo and red eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna steal a snake tattoo from Google. Now, this isn't transparent, so I'm just gonna go ahead and import it to Psy, then convert luminance to opacity, then bam! It is now transparent. I probably could have done that on like Clip Studio, but like, I don't know how. I'm stupid, okay? Anyway, we're just gonna liquify to make it look natural. Okay, so now let's add a tinge of blue there, and then the smexy red eyes and smexy red juicy lips. Okay, so I gave her these eye bags and she kind of looks like she's got a disease, but I'm gonna try to make that hot later. Okay, so let's do the technique again. I put a shadow over the whole drawing, then use a light to highlight the nose. Sorry, but ever since I discovered this, I never went back. This drawing literally only took me an hour to finish, and it shows. So anyway, I'm just adding more shadows. I put this blue light on the right side. Not sure what to feel about that. Okay, I kind of made it lighter. Let's add the juicy hair. Just a bunch of scribbles, then we clean up just like that. Shazam! Okay, so I'm just rendering this baby up, trying to see how I can make it better. Okay, this is my attempt at drawing metal. Yes, very low skill, low budget. Okay, let's try to make the arm juicy. Ooh! So I added this highlight. That actually looks very hot. Her arm looks like a hot dog. Okay, so I have no idea what else to put in here. It's only been an hour, but I feel like it's already finished, right? Okay, let's just add a light above and then a shadow below for more dramatic, cinematic feel, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's blur this baby up and then bam, we are finished. Okay, so let's do one more, alright? Let's do a guy next because I miss drawing hot men. Ooh, what a smegzy shirt. Okay, so he low-key looks like that doomer e-boy meme. So obviously I gotta draw him. That is a very cool shirt. Okay, well, I don't know what he's supposed to be doing. I want to make him like play on his phone. Is he a gamer? Nah, I don't think so. Okay, whatever. Let's give him a bubble gum. Ah yes, very juicy. Okay, whatever. I remove the phone. Let's just make him do a generic peace sign. We need to spread positivity around the world, am I right? Okay, anyway, let's just make the lines cleaner. Ugh, I really hate this part the most. Oh my gosh, the hands yet again. I honestly should just hide the hands in my next drawings. I feel like that's gonna do a lot for my mental health. Okay, outline is done, baby. Anyway, let's color this baby up. Okay, let's put juicy lips. Okay, that looks like really dirty and smudged ketchup. Whatever. Let's just do the multiply light thing method once again. I'm never gonna get tired of this technique. Let's add a bunch of highlights in the hair. Honestly, the highlights don't make any sense, but then again, the hair itself doesn't make any sense. Let's just make this overall bright and wholesome. Disgusting. Okay, let's add the cute little shirt. I freaking love that shirt. I freaking love the little dinosaur. Okay, so his face is looking a bit plain and I am not a fan of that band-aid. So let's just add cute little stickers on his face. That's probably gonna cause skincare issues, but who cares? So let's add a little rabbit over here. Rabbit or bunny? I don't know the difference. Potato, potato. And now let's add a cat. By the way, this is Ducky and Nabby. It's from a cartoon that I watched when I was a kid. And then let's add a bunch of hearts because it's looking plain as heck. Okay, so I might have made it a bit too wholesome. I'm not a fan of it, to be honest. I feel like I could have done more, but eh. Okay, so here are the 3 drawings. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go watch this next and I'll see you there. Also, like this video and share it with your friends. Stay cool.